Guys, yung boyfriend mong pagkakita niya sa fish, sabi niya, ibigay mo sa dog. Dog.
Oh, dog. Oh.
The head of the fish is for dog. But for Filipino people, it's ulam na. Right, guys? Sure ko lang. Super ganda talaga dito sa restaurant na to, guys. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko dito sa Cebu. So guys, I ordered fish soup and surprisingly, it has the head of the sea. I think this is sea bream fish, which is the famous fish in Greece, and of course my extra rice, and he's so hungry. So guys, nag-crave ako ng sabaw na isda. Ang gara nila dito, hiwala yung separate yung isda sa sabaw. Pero ang sarap. So, yung soup nila, it has carrot, zucchini, and then tomato, and onion. It's very tasty. Yum, yum. With yellow rice. As usual, his favorite, the zucchini sticks and the zucchini pies, spinach. Not zucchini. Yum yum. Spinach pie. Yum yum yum. Sorry, my love. It's really the sauce. Super yum yum. Guys, look at this zucchini stick with feta cheese. The best ever.